How to enable Chrome reading mode on mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. If you want a clean, distraction-free reading experience in Chrome on your phone, here's how to turn on the reading mode in just a few taps. First, open up Google Chrome on your phone. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then head over to the Accessibility tab. If you don't see it here, go to Settings first, and then find the Accessibility tab. Scroll down, tap on it, then you'll have an option here for Simplified View for Web Pages. Make sure that you turn on this toggle. You can get notified when an article can be shown in Simplified View. So let me just quickly pull up an article here. Now I'll just open up this article over here. You can just tap on any one of these, go to the article. You can find the reading mode option at the top. Just tap on it and it will take you directly over to the reading mode. Now you'll get a simplified web version without blocking. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.